Okay.
This is March 2024, set 1, some related to issue of debentures. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, read the question.
Yes. On 1st April 2022, Zubian Ltd issued 10 lakh at 7% debentures of 100 rupees each at a premium of 6%, which
Okay,
is redeemable at premium of
with a
4%.
premium of 4% after 5 years. First, you need to interpret this information. Okay?
Yes,
You
miss.
need to know the number of debentures issued.
Yes.
How will you find the number of debentures issued?
7% debenture. So
7% debentures of 100.
yeah, of 100 each.
So par value is how much?
10 lakhs.
100
Oh my, yeah, 100,
per
sorry.
debenture.
Yeah.
So this is issued for 10 lakhs.
Yes.
Give me the number of debentures.
Number of debentures, it's 7%. So
Darling, 10 lakh
yeah,
divided by 100, the par value or the face value.
yeah, which is
So the number of debentures,
10,000.
so your number of debentures is 10,000.
10,000, okay.
So you've issued 10,000 7% debentures of 100.
Okay, 10,000 7%
10,000 into
debentures.
100 makes it 10 lakh.
Yeah,
10,000 7% debentures of 100. So 10,000 into 100 makes it 10 lakh.
yeah,
Now, how
makes it
did
10
you
lakh.
issue?
How do we issue?
Read
At a premium
it.
of 6%, each at a premium
It
of
is
6%.
issued at premium of 6%.
Yes,
So what is 6%?
the premium, which is like
6% premium. So you will take 6% of what?
60,000.
You will take 6% of 100, which is 6.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now you have to rephrase this. How would you rephrase? Debentures
Yes.
of 100 issued at
Issued at premium
what is the
6%.
premium? 6%. So issued
6.
at 106.
Yes.
Yeah.
106. Yeah.
Okay. Redeemed at
Redeemed at premium of 4%.
100 ka 4% is how much?
4
So it is redeemable at what price?
at 4.
104.
104. Yeah. Oh,
See, face value is
yeah.
100. I'm issuing
Face
it
value
at
is
premium
premium. So 106.
106.
Yeah.
Redeemed at 4%. Redeemable at 104.
Yeah. Okay. Redeemable
Okay.
at 104. Yeah.
Now you have to pass the journal entry for this.
Yeah. Journal entry would be what?
He passed the journal entry for issue of debentures and for writing of the loss on issue utilizing securities premium. Okay. So you have to pass journal entry for this. Come on, tell me what would be the journal entry for issue of debentures.
What bank account debited to
Bank account debit
this thing debenture account.
7% debenture.
Yeah.
How much money you received?
How much money we received? It's uh 100. Wait, no, 106. Yeah.
Yeah.
On
You
10
received
lakh 60.
106.
Yeah.
Okay. First we will do with single and then we will multiply with the number of shares.
Okay.
Okay. So you received 106.
Yes.
Debenture will be credited by how much?
Will be credited by this thing. What? I didn't get it, miss. What?
You receive 106, right?
Yeah.
Debenture will be credited by how much?
This thing debenture account 7%.
Which
Uh,
value? 106, 100,
100. 100.
104, 100.
Yeah.
So you receive 6 extra.
Yes.
This 6 extra will go where?
It'll go to, what was it? What's this? I don't know. Where will the extra value go? Okay. To premium on the issue share.
Okay. Have
Yeah.
you done this Tesla of this 100 and 106?
Yes, we have. No.
Fine.
Yeah.
Now you're redeeming it at how much?
4%. 104.
104. That means you
Yeah.
got a loss, right?
Yes, miss.
How much?
Um, what,
Debenture
104?
is of 100.
Yeah.
6 was the profit you wrote over here.
Yes.
Now when you're going to pay back, this on
Will,
issue profit I have already recorded. Now
yes,
when you're
yes.
going to pay back, you're going to compare this and this.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the debenture
Oh,
which was 100, you're going to pay 104.
104.
So debenture which was of 100, you're going to pay how much?
104.
So how much is your loss because of
4.
redemption? 4. So which account will this go?
Yeah, loss on the single assured venture.
Loss on issue of debenture debit.
Yeah, debit, which is 104.
4 is the
But
loss,
4,
na?
4. Sorry. Yeah.
And this loss will go to which account?
Um, Premium on redemption.
To premium on redemption of debentures. You need to buy forget this, huh?
Yes, yes.
So this loss would go to premium on redemption of debentures 4. I hope
Okay.
you're with me.
Yes, miss.
Now what you have to do, you just have to multiply for the amounts with 10,000. You have 10,000 debentures, right?
Yes.
So you just multiply it with 10,000. First you make the journal entry, you buy forget and then you multiply with 10,000. So you have this entry, see?
Right.
Debenture debit,
Yeah.
loss on issue,
Loss on
debenture
issue.
credit, premium
Yes.
on issue, premium on redemption.
Redemption.
Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Take time, make this and pass the journal entry. You need to write off the loss on issue of debentures. Okay. Using
Yes.
securities premium. So whenever you're writing off something, okay, you're writing off the loss. That means you're
Yeah.
canceling the loss. I repeat
Okay.
again, when I am writing off the loss, it means I am canceling the loss.
Yeah.
If I want to cancel the debit, what should I do?
We're canceling the debit. We will write it down.
We'll write it on the opposite side.
Yeah, write it down on the credit.
Okay. So I am
Yeah.
canceling the loss. My loss is on the debit. So if I want to cancel the debit, I will write it on the credit.
Yeah.
So I will write to loss on issue of
Ah,
debentures.
yes.
How much? 40,000.
40,000.
I'm canceling the
Okay.
debit. And you
Yes.
have to write it off against which account? Securities premium.
Securities premium account.
So you will write it off against securities premium. That means I will do securities premium debit.
Yeah.
Securities premium debit 40,000. I wanted to understand this fact very clearly. Premium on issue of shares
Yeah.
is also called securities premium.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you're writing off the loss. This is the entry to write off the loss. When you're writing off the loss, you just write this loss on the opposite side.
Okay.
When you repeat the statement,
When we are writing down the loss, we write it on the opposite side.
and you want to write it off against securities premium, so write securities premium.
Yeah.
And now
Securities premium.
they have asked you to make a loss on issue of debentures account. Can you see this?
Yes.
If they've asked you to make a loss on issue of debenture account, what you have to see is in your journal entry, you will only see your loss on issue of debentures.
Okay.
Okay. Loss on issue of debentures. Come on,
Issue
see
of
you.
debentures.
Where is loss?
At the debit side.
Okay. So on the debit, I will write 40,000.
Yeah.
Where is loss?
Credit.
So on the credit, I will write 40,000. Okay.
Yeah.
You saw the loss.
Yes.
Now for
For both.
this, on the credit side, what is on the opposite account?
Securities premium.
So you'll write securities premium here.
Oh, okay.
Hmm?
Yes.
And this loss was because of what?
Because of what? Like the credit side.
We had
Yeah,
already
okay. Premium.
discussed this, right? This loss was because of what?
Premium on redemption of debentures.
Because we were giving them extra money, right?
Yes, yes.
So you'll write year 2 and year by. 2 premium on
Redemption of debentures. Yeah.
2 premium on redemption of debentures, and you close this 40,000 account. This is the most easiest thing. You score 3 marks to make the loss account.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Loss on issue
Most
of
interesting.
debentures is only and only because of premium on redemption of debentures. Learn
Yeah.
this point if you want. Okay. Loss on issue of debentures is what? Because of loss on issue of debentures is only because of,
Only because of the premium on redemption of debentures.
again repeat,
Loss on issue of debentures is solely because of premium on redemption of debentures.
again.
Loss on issue of debentures is only because of premium on redemption of debentures.
Okay. Sometimes they might ask you to make a premium securities premium account.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes they might ask you to make a securities premium account.
Yeah.
Securities premium account is a profit account. Which account?
Okay. Profit account.
And profit always has what balance?
Credit.
Credit balance. Now you see the company has a balance of 30,000 in securities premium.
Yeah.
So I write this 30,000.
Okay.
This is the balance begin down.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you will see
Yes.
everywhere where you've written securities premium. Securities premium is also premium on issue. Okay.
Yeah.
If it's premium on issue or securities premium, it means the same thing.
Okay.
Now see where is securities premium?
There is yeah, right there.
Debit or
60,000.
credit?
Debit. Credit, credit.
Credit side. So on the credit side, I will write 60,000.
Okay.
Why was this securities premium? I told you it is always because of issue or
Loss on issue of
premium on issue.
debentures.
Premium on issue.
Okay, premium on issue. Okay.
If it is credit, that means you're receiving it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now here, securities premium debit.
Debit.
Why is this because of on debit? So I will write it on the debit.
Yeah.
What is the reason for this?
Because of loss on issue of debentures.
You'll write to loss on issue.
Okay.
And this account you can close it. You have 90,000. 90,000. You have a
Okay.
balance closed down how much? 50,000.
50,000.
Bring this balance down. Balance begin down 50,000.
Okay.
Okay. So this